VIP lounge of Philippine Airlines. And I'm waiting for my flight going to LA. Saan mo nilagay boarding pass mo?
Sa...
Ito mo yung nakita ko. Saan kayo pupunta?
Gulong malalim.
Nakita ko lang po sila dito.
Ito.
Hindi ko po alam. Baby boy! Welcome to the famous Beverly Hills. Hanapin natin yung bahay ng mga artista. Papi, thank you! Sinurpress ako ni Papi. Ako yung atay my birthday. Matulog na ako eh. Nanood yung Bruno Mars. Happy birthday, baby boy! Thanks, Papi! Kayang-kaya mo yun, ginawa ni Bruno.
Nakaantok ka eh.
Kita nga kita eh.
Antok ako.
Mga 2 minutes of your life.
Nasa stage. Sumayaw.
Umayaw na
Hindi ko magawa in real life eh. Sa panaginip na lang.
Nakita kita eh. Hindi daw ginalingan ni Bruno Mars. Samantalang ako, every time may ginagawa siya, sigaw ako ng sigaw.
Hindi naman. Wasn't so bad.
My whole human being! Happy birthday, my love! Oh my gosh, sobrang galing talaga ni Bruno Mars. Tsaka nung kinanta niya yung When I Was Your Man. Dude, grabe talaga. Iba talaga, di ba?
Idol!
Tsaka mas mataas pa yung... Tapos, ano yun? Ano ginawa ko? Hindi ko alam. Kaya ko yan! Nasaan tayo?
We're in Santa Monica today.
Yay! Finally! Ganda pa nung sunset ko. Ganito pala ang hotdog nila sa California. Masarap sana may ka-holding hands ka dito eh. Pero wala. Wala eh. Ang lamig. Malay mo, dito ko pala makita si Post Malone. Oh. Mahina lang naman daw sila kumagat. Halloween Horror Night! Alright! Woo! Ayan na! Naririnig niyo ba yun? Tunog pala! Oh my God! So excited! Mama! Mama! That was pretty intense. We survived. Michael Myers. Oh my gosh. Gana naman, mami. Where to next? We're doing Walking Dead next. We're watching the job of walking. Malapit na namin matapos lahat ng maze. Yay! We finished all the maze. Down to our last one. The poltergeist. I survived the toxic tunnel. May dessert na tayo. It's a beautiful day in Cali. I'm back. Disneyland, California. Sorry. But I'm always in costume. Like, that's not my normal everyday look. Costume. got my turkey leg. Punta na kami sa Indiana Jones, one of my favorite rides in Disneyland. My favorite ride again. Diyan ko dinala yung nanay ko sa Hong Kong. Doon ko nalaman takot pala siya sa roller coaster. Disney Halloween. Ayan, nasakyan ko Little Mermaid before. The only ride. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! After that first ride, I want to ride it again. Grabe, sobrang layo ng trekking namin. Papunta sa Hollywood sign, grabe. Ito, dito na yung loading bibiling ko. Dito na ako titira, hanapin ko si Post Malone. Halloween shop. Uy, dito nakakatakot. Had a hangover after the English concert last night that I was not able to film. I'm sorry. I wish you could have seen it. The show was amazing and ay nako, watching Danny Elfman, Jack Skellington in the flesh gave me chills and gave me a tingly feeling in my bones. I was so emotional. I kept on crying like the whole show. It's Hollywood at night. Pan Theater. Where they do premiere nights for Disney. Thanks, hot dog. LA class. Hello, Vegas. We're only here for Halloween weekend. Ask my wife. Hi, Uncle Bob. Hey, what's up, Vegas? I'm just waiting for my groom. I'm waiting for Papa P and Inigo. Parang Frankenstein's bride. So you see, that's my costume. I love you, Posty. Don't worry, you won't ever fall apart again. I love you so much. Didn't know it before. He's supposed to be Frankenstein.
Jim Carrey.
Yeah, hello.
Plants vs. Zombies.
Frankenstein is like zero, like, it looks like this thing.
Si Papa P. Yung mga, para, makeup by Ramona. Oh, ganda. Makeup by Ramona. Ito yung peg namin. Naging Plants vs. Zombies. Yung kamukha ba si Frankenstein? Hi, baby boy. Tagay sa'yo si Coco. Tulog si Frankenstein. He's not alive. This is our makeup, final makeup. Hindi na kinaya ang Vegas po. Kami lang naka-costume. Plants vs. Zombies! Ang ganda naman ang costume. Plants vs. Zombies. Sa New York na kami. Punta kami sa Olive Garden. Favorite restaurant ni Posty. Alam ko na yung ordering ko sa Olive Garden. Lahat ng in-order ni Posty. Na libre. We're watching Frozen. O, diba? Sa dami ng Broadway shows, Frozen talaga. Sobrang ganda ng Frozen. I didn't expect that. Bawal mag-video or mag-picture sa loob. Saan tayo punta? Sky Bar. Let's go! Damn, Times Square is so busy.